Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be testing my sample of calcium carbide. Unfortunately, it's quite old, so I predict most of it has decomposed by now, but it's still worth a test. So if this was new and was pure calcium carbide, CaC2, it usually decomposes with a reaction with water to create acetylene gas and calcium hydroxide. I have a feeling that is mostly calcium hydroxide, but dog barking. Yeah, so basically I'm just going to be testing for acetylene gas, which was originally used for mining lab, which is why it says miner's lab. Alright, let's test this. Alright, so I've added my water to the sample, and it actually is, or rather, it just was producing acetylene gas. Oh no, really? As soon as I turn on the camera? Come on. Let's see, is there... Oh yeah, there's a bubble coming. So, I mean, not, very good, but it works, I guess, well enough for my purposes. Yeah, that's basically it. You know what? Let's see if we can get something on fire. Alright, so I've got the gas in, and I've disturbed it, so we're gonna light it on fire. Yes. Aha. And that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.